Apple Cider Sangria.
Let's go.
For our Apple Cider Sangria, we're going in with 1 Granny Smith apple, 1 Gala apple, and 1 pear. We're going to chop these into small cubes.
You can use any apples or pears of your choice.
Let's add these to the jar.
With apple season just around the corner, we're going to be going in with some sweet apple cider, and I've got 3 cups here, and I'm going to pour it into the jar. Now let's booze it up. Pour in 1 bottle of your favorite white wine. We're using a Pinot from a local vineyard, Pear Estates. Add in 3/4 cup of brandy, and let's stir this all together.
For some warm fall flavors, we're going to make 2 sticks of cinnamon and 6 star anise. Let's give this a stir.
For the best flavor, refrigerate the sangria for a few hours. Now let's pour the sangria into your glass.
Top it with some club soda.
Garnish with some of the fall spices and enjoy.
Hey, and before we go, if you're new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe, and if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we upload new videos.
And follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the information is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See ya!